If Microsoft Edge is showing HTTP error 431, don't worry, because this is usually caused by a browser data issue, a cookie problem, or an extension conflict, and in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. These methods are simple, safe, and can often get the site loading again in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is clear Edge's cookies and cache because corrupted or overloaded browser data is one of the most common reasons for this error. To do that, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Clear Browsing Data window. Here, make sure the options for cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. If you want, you can also choose a time range like all time to do a full cleanup. Once everything is selected, click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. After that, close Edge completely and reopen it, then try loading the website again. If the error is still there, the next step is to test the site in a private window. A private window helps you check whether the issue is being caused by saved browser data or an extension. To open one, click the three dots in the top right corner of Edge and choose New in Private Window, or use the shortcut Ctrl, Shift, and... Once the private window opens, go to the same website and see if it loads properly. If the site works in private mode, that usually means something in your regular browsing session is causing the problem. If you still get HTTP error 431, the next thing to try is turning off all extensions. Extensions can sometimes interfere with cookies, headers, or website requests, which can trigger this error. To do this, go to the Edge menu again, click Extensions, and open the Extensions page. From there, toggle off all of your extensions one by one, or switch them all off temporarily. After disabling them, go back to the website and test it again. If the site loads after turning extensions off, then one of those add-ons is likely the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time to find the exact one creating the issue. In most cases, one of these three fixes will solve Microsoft Edge HTTP error 431 very quickly. Clearing cookies and cache, testing in a private window, and disabling extensions. If the error continues even after trying all of these steps, you may need to check whether the website itself is having a problem or try resetting Edge settings as a next step. But for many users, this simple cleanup and extension check is enough to get everything working again. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more quick browser fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.